Hey, let me show you how you can fix that issue when you cannot connect a Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 FE into the Galaxy Wearable application. So first of all, let's start from removing this application from your phone. Just simply get rid of it. Now on your smartphone, you will have to go to the settings. And if you were previously connected with those earbuds by using standard settings, just make sure that you have disconnect and forget them. And also make sure that you have switch off Bluetooth on your device. Next, what I can recommend you, basically you will have to search for the reset options on your device. So in the most cases, you will have to search for something like system settings or system management. It actually depends of your phone settings. Go to the reset options, and over here, I will highly recommend you to perform reset of your Bluetooth settings. So by clicking here, you can just simply remove everything. In some smartphones, you can only reset Bluetooth, but in this Vivo phone, I have to also reset my Wi-Fi and the mobile, so it's gonna disconnect me from already connected Wi-Fi networks. But if you cannot connect, I can highly recommend you to do that. Now, when you finish with everything, I will also highly recommend you to perform a reset of this device. And how you can do this? Take a look. You have to input both earbuds inside that charging case. You will have to close the cover and now just open it. Then rotate and click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking. So click and hold it, wait until it starts blinking in the 3 different colors, just like this. Now you will have to release, close, like so. Wait until the indicator disappears. There we go. And now reopen. What we have to do right now is just to turn on everything back, the Bluetooth settings, go to the Google Play Store and get back the Galaxy Wearable application. And now it's time to enter for the pairing mode on this device. So click and hold the button on the bottom of the case until it starts blinking in the 3 different colors. Now release, make that case opened, and simply open the Galaxy Wearable application, click start, and now check if they are here in the available devices list. Now as you can see, in my case, they are recognized and we are successfully connected. Let me know if it works, and thanks for watching.